Best dash cams for 2021. More than 36% of road accidents occur every month due to a lack of proper driving safety. Accidents can happen at any time. As terrifying as that can be, it can be just as distressing to be blamed for a crash that wasn't your fault. Dash cameras can be extremely helpful in such situations. Buying a dash cam for that reason alone is a great idea. A dash camera can help you with both safety and entertainment, which is why you should choose carefully. No worries, we will help you make the right choice. Here are our top 3 picks for the best dash cams for your car that we came up with after doing some research. But before we continue, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Number 1. Rov R2 4K Dash Cam with built-in Wi-Fi. The Rov R2 4K is capable of recording video at resolutions up to 2160 pixels. The quality of the video recording is so good that you will notice more clarity than any other car dash cam on the market. Higher resolution allows you to record Ultra HD quality footage that is beyond impressive. It's difficult to compare the R2 to other dash cams that are more expensive and suitable for everyone. However, the R2 is one of the best dash cams in 2021 that gives you better video quality even at 1080p. It also comes with the ultra-low light sensor NT96660 plus OV4689 with revolutionary super night vision technology, so you can take high-quality pictures and recordings even in low light conditions. Thanks to the camera's larger f1.8 aperture, it captures more light, and the wide-angle 6-glass lens enhances the visibility of small details. Even in complete darkness, you can get images with usable details. You can record and capture footage on the road up to 150 degrees further. With an angle of 150 degrees and the A+ lens, it's not as far as others. Example, 170 degrees on devices like the Vantrue In2 Pro. However, you capture the detail you need right in front of you. Number 2. The Vantrue In2 Pro Uber Dual 1080p Dash Cam. The Vantrue In2 Pro is equipped with a front-facing camera that can record 2.5K videos in 2560 by 1440p at 30 frames per second. With a 140-degree wide-angle lens, the front camera can capture up to 3 lanes of traffic at once. There is no doubt that both front and rear cameras have excellent video quality. On the rear camera, there are 4 infrared lights LED for clear footage at night and in dimly lit environments. Both cameras are capable of recording video in full 1080p HD to capture sharp detail. A large number of accidents occur at night, which is why this is so important. The rear and front-facing cameras can see well at night, which is important. You can set the dashcam features to automatically turn on when you start the vehicle, while the LCD automatically turns off when the vehicle stops, so you don't have to worry about distractions while driving or parking. In addition to a microphone, the system has a device to detect sound inside the vehicle. With this dash cam, you can create a time-lapse video to show a series of events. The motion sensor protects your vehicle while it's parked. Number 3. Apeman Dash Cam 1080p. Our final best budget dash cam, front and rear, is the Apeman Dash Cam. The dash cam comes with several features. For example, it can record 1080p FHD footage for better viewing. You can keep an eye on your teen's driving activities at all times with the dash cam recording. Thanks to the size of the screen, you can have a clear view of the screen. An LCD screen of 3 inches gives you the best, clearer view. With a wide-angle view of up to 170 degrees, you'll catch most of what's going on around your car while you're driving. In addition to WDR, G-sensor, parking monitoring, motion detection, and recording, the car dash cam has a number of other features worth mentioning. This is one of the best dash cams under $50 that you can buy. With night vision, you are able to capture footage even in the dark with ease. With the G-sensor, your car will be able to record any impact or vibration that may occur. As you drive the car, you will be able to capture as many shots as possible because of its wide viewing angles. Things to look for when buying a dash cam. The looping feature. Look for a dash cam that has a looping feature. This way, your dash cam will record over old videos that you no longer need, and you will not need to manually delete them. G-force sensor. Always look for dash cams with G-force sensors, as this will help you detect if you have been involved in an accident. Dash cams of this type save the footage recorded at that time instead of playing it back in a loop. Night vision. Make sure your dash cam can record reliably at night and provide good quality footage. A camera that can't accurately record what's happening isn't very useful. Also, models with infrared or night vision are not very reliable. Automatic and manual recording. The main purpose of a dash cam is safety, but you may also want to record scenic routes permanently if you wish. Therefore, it is important to have the ability to manually trigger recordings and override loop and impact detection. The GPS. Dash cams with a higher price tag have a built-in GPS receiver, while some offer it as an external add-on. Along with the video footage, it also records location information, which can be useful in some cases. The best part is that our selected dash cam has all these features, and this review guide compiled all the information you need to choose the best dash cam for you. Check out these cool devices on the NWG store, and do not forget to like and share. Thank you!